Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the benefit of walking. Did you know that walking for 30 minutes to 60 minutes a day is recommended for health and weight management? While it may seem trivial, it can be an effective way to support a healthy body. On this video, we're gonna learn about the surprising health benefit of walking you may not know about previously. Walking significantly reduces cortisol stress. It affects your overall mood, decrease depression and anxiety, increase creative thinking and problem solving, increase bone density, increase T killer cell, increase the body natural painkillers, reduce inflammation, improve your joint function, support insulin sensitivity, help you lose weight after the first 30 minutes of walking, decrease the risk of bone density loss with age, strengthen the muscle in your feet, help stabilize your hip, back, and neck, mobilize lymphatic system circulation, improve lumbar muscle function, which can help with your lower back pain, help reduce blood pressure, transfer oxygen into tissue, increase oxygen in the brain, boost cellular waste removal, enhance your vision, and most importantly, help you poop easier. I bet you didn't know the last one. So therefore, when you plan to work out, don't ignore walking. Here's some walking tips for beginner or those who never worked out before. Don't worry, I got you. Today, start at a very easy pace for 15 minutes. Try to do that for 5 days a week just to create habit, and then increase your time, go to 20 minutes the next week. Track your walking just to stay on course. Slowly increase your pace the next time you walk, but you should be able to carry a full conversation. You may be noticeably breathing, but you shouldn't be out of breath. If you have any health concern, please contact your doctor before starting any walking program. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my content, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and share the video with your friend. Thank you. Bye.
The content on this video and this channel is for information purpose only. I'm just sharing my experience. I'm not a doctor, so do your own research and don't just blindly follow people on YouTube.